Hey everyone, Shraddha here. So today I'm going to cover Ek Haseena Thi, Ek Deewana, the song on guitar taps. So for this song we just need two strings that are E string and B string. So let's see how it goes. I will be putting written tabs also. So you can either take a screenshot of it or you can note it down. So let's start. Okay, so that's how we need to play it. So just keep on practicing it. So this is also a great exercise for beginners. So just whatever exercise you are doing, just add this too. So yeah, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, and if you want me to comment any topic, just let me know. I will be covering that topic too. Stay tuned. Bye and take care.